I ordered keycaps. Not just any keycaps. I bought these keycaps. I bought Ahegao keycaps. Probably the only thing that should actually it came today. So literally some PBT material keycaps, OEM keycaps, and I was like, fuck it. It's time for people to question me. To question why the fuck did I buy this. It was just a joke, but at the same time, I was like, fuck it, why not? It comes with 108 keycaps, which is good. And let's get to the opening. You can see I do have my normal keycaps from HyperX. It said it was gonna arrive on the 30th, but it came a little early. Now, you got Ahegao keycaps. I don't think it comes with a key puller, which it did say, but I don't think it does. So as you can see, you get kind of high quality keycaps. They're backlit, so they have the letters on there. So like, if I don't know where the fuck my letters are, we have this. And I think they come with like, yeah, they come with an extra set. Oh, it does have a keycap puller. Okay, that's cool. So it does come with 2 sets. So there's a keycap puller, just in case you need to put your keycaps. These keys are just, they're OM, so they're like slightly higher. As I'll show you an example. More like higher in size. So you can see there's like a small difference because these are cherries. These are they're literally just OM, so they're more higher. The printing quality is pretty good, I must say. I just think some parts are I don't think they're too much, but I'm gonna put this all together. So I'm gonna like speed kind of run this and see what if I could find everything that I need to put together for each and every. Oh shit, I dropped a lot of the keycaps. Oh.
So we're gonna do ASMR. Sound good, don't they?
We are done with the keycaps. Here how it looks like, all lighted up with backlit. It does look nice. So pretty much you should get this at this point. I mean, you don't have to like me, because I just got it for the fuck of it. I switched some keys. I left the escape bar at black. Everything else is all black. It looks like just like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to buy these somehow. I have the link in the bio and the description actually. And peace guys.